I've gotten a number of questions about whether I can reuse old charcoal on a subsequent cook. Well, the answer is yes, and I'm going to show you today what I do for the subsequent cook. So what I essentially do is I just scoop everything over to the side, all the old used charcoal, and what I do first is I'm going to put some fresh charcoal in the bottom, because a lot of these pieces of charcoal are so small that they might seep through the grates in the bottom of the chimney starter. So I'm going to put some fresh charcoal, fill it up about, depends on how much used charcoal you have. I'm going to fill my fresh charcoal up halfway. So here's my charcoal chimney starter filled up, I don't know, roughly halfway. And all I'm going to do is use my scoop, and I got this at a local hardware store. Use my scoop and just fill in the old used charcoal above the new. And you have some left over at the bottom, you can just leave it at the bottom. You can always pour charcoal that's lit right on top of the old charcoal. But this is going to be about perfect for this chimney starter. We're actually going to just cook some burgers on the charcoal grill tonight. I'm going to use my Weber sear grate. Give it a nice sear on the burgers. So we're pretty much ready to go. Anyway, that's all I do. Obviously, I'm going to put some newspaper at the bottom. Some people use wax. I use newspaper or any type of excess paper I have left hanging around. Sometimes it's one of the Kingsford charcoal bags. That's if I ended up using the rest of the bag. So the answer is yes. You can reuse old charcoal to save money, and even after this cook, there'll be old charcoal left in my grill that I'll reuse the next time. So anyway, enjoy your grilling.